In a dense forest teeming with life, animals of all kinds coexisted in harmony. Among them was Jaki, a clever and resourceful jackal known for his sharp wit. He lived near a small pond that provided water for all the animals. One day, Jaki saw Karu, a foolish but kind-hearted crow, perched on a tree branch, cawing loudly. Karu often bragged about his abilities and cunningness, though he wasn't particularly smart. Jaki, observing this, thought of teaching Karu a valuable lesson about humility and wisdom. One bright morning, Karu found a piece of cheese on the ground. Thrilled with his find, he flew up to his favorite tree and began to enjoy his meal. Jaki, always observant, noticed Karu's excitement and decided to have a bit of fun. "Good morning, Karu," Jaki called out, his voice sweet and friendly. "What a beautiful day it is. And what a wonderful piece of cheese you have there. You must be the luckiest crow in the entire forest." Karu, basking in the praise, puffed up with pride. "Yes, indeed. I found it all by myself. Isn't it splendid?" Jaki continued his flattery. "Oh, absolutely. You are the smartest crow I've ever seen. In fact, I've heard tales of your beautiful singing voice. I would be honored to hear you sing a song for me. Surely, a crow as magnificent as you must have a voice as sweet as a nightingale's." Karu, although foolish, had a strong sense of pride. He was easily swayed by Jaki's words. Wanting to prove his worth and show off his singing skills, he opened his beak and began to caw loudly. As soon as Karu opened his beak, the piece of cheese fell to the ground. Jaki, who had been waiting for this moment, swiftly picked it up and began to eat it. Karu, realizing what had happened, felt foolish and humiliated. "Why did you trick me, Jaki?" Karu asked, crestfallen. Jaki looked at Karu with a gentle smile. "I didn't trick you, Karu. You tricked yourself. Your pride and need for praise made you careless. Always remember, it's important to stay humble and use your mind wisely. Flattery can often lead to trouble." Karu, though initially upset, began to reflect on Jaki's words. He realized that his vanity had indeed made him an easy target for deceit. From that day forward, Karu decided to be more careful and modest. He watched and learned from the other animals, especially Jaki, who had taught him a valuable lesson. One day, as Karu was flying over the forest, he noticed a trap set by hunters. It was cleverly disguised, and many animals could easily fall into it. Remembering the lesson Jaki had taught him, Karu decided to use his newfound wisdom to help his fellow forest creatures. He flew down to the pond where the animals gathered and informed them about the trap. "Friends, there's a danger in the forest. Hunters have set a trap near the big oak tree. We must be careful and avoid that area." Jaki, impressed by Karu's alertness and concern for others, decided to devise a plan to disarm the trap. He gathered the animals and explained, "We need to work together to disable the trap. Karu, with your sharp eyes, guide us to the exact location. The rest of us will use our strength and skills to make the forest safe again." Karu led the animals to the trap, and under Jaki's guidance, they worked together to dismantle it. The teamwork and unity among the animals ensured that the forest remained a safe haven for all. The animals decided to celebrate their victory over the hunter's trap. They gathered around the pond, singing and dancing in joy. Karu, who had once been foolish and vain, was now respected and loved by his friends for his bravery and wisdom. Jaki, watching the festivities, felt proud of Karu's transformation. He approached Karu and said, "You've come a long way, my friend. You've shown that even if we make mistakes, we can always learn and grow from them." Karu smiled, grateful for Jaki's friendship and guidance. "Thank you, Jaki. I've learned that true wisdom comes from humility and helping others. As time passed, Karu became known as a wise and kind leader among the animals. He continued to watch over the forest, using his keen eyes and newfound wisdom to protect his friends from dangers. The animals in turn trusted and respected him. Jaki and Karu's friendship grew stronger, and together they ensured that the forest remained a place of harmony and safety. Karu's story spread throughout the forest, serving as a reminder to all that true strength lies in humility and unity. The tale of Karu and Jaki was passed down through generations, becoming a part of the forest's rich lore. Young animals would gather around their elders to hear the story of the clever jackal and the foolish crow who became a wise leader. The moral of the story resonated with everyone. True wisdom and strength come from humility, teamwork, and the willingness to learn and grow from one's mistakes. And so, the forest thrived, with each new generation of animals embodying the virtues of wisdom, humility, and unity, ensuring that the legacy of Jaki and Karu lived on forever. True wisdom and strength come from humility, teamwork, and the willingness to learn and grow from one's mistakes. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories.